this is one of those assessments that I think your answers may vary. And if you have some thoughts, feel free to share them in the comments below. I would say for myself coming into organic chemistry, the learning claim that I would have believed is that retrieval practice makes a difference, right? Doing problems that remind you of things and doing them somewhat repetitively, though not exclusively repetitively. I think if you had asked me back then when I was first entering about which one did I not find applicable to me, and it was that learning style one. I thought I've got a way that I learn, and so I'll learn that way. It made sense to me that should be. So I might have refuted that particular learning claim. 8 weeks into organic, I would have said, nope, that one is right, because I have to be able to stretch myself and learn things in different ways and learn things in challenging ways. It makes sense that the things that we remember how to do are things that took work, things that took effort, things that challenged us to think in different and new ways. So maybe I would have refuted the study a certain way learning claim back then, but certainly not now. Once again, use the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this question.